Hello, welcome back to the Nowcomm demonstration room. My name is James Baly, I'm the technical director for Nowcomm. Today we're unboxing the Meraki MV72, which is a fairly new product from Meraki. Not a lot of people know about the cameras, but I would encourage you to take a look because they are absolutely fantastic. They're so easy to deploy. You just plug them in, there's no network-based recording device required, it's all in the box and it's obviously managed via the Meraki portal along with your teleworker solutions and your MDM, etc. So it's all in one place. So let's have a look at the box. Fairly heavy, fairly chunky box. We've got a bit of a cardboard sleeve to it. We will discard that. Okay, it's almost like one of these jewellery boxes or something. Okay, the big reveal. So inside the box it's fairly Spartan. We can see that we've got the camera itself. We'll take a look at that in a little bit more detail in a minute. A piece of metal that's I guess is going to be for securing the wires into the camera to stop tampering. A nice little package of screws. I think that's to throw away actually. I know what that is actually. That is the silicone material that you put inside the camera to stop the humidity, to stop it misting up. So what we've got in here is some screws and a small Allen key that's used to secure the camera. There's also another piece of metal. So this is the mounting plate for the camera itself, for the MV72 camera. As I said, there are other cameras available. This is the outdoor specific one, so this is IP67 rated. I've actually got one of these at home and it's extremely easy to set up and extremely easy to look at all of the footage on the camera. Okay, so having a look at the camera in a little bit more detail, the first thing we'll notice is it's actually got a plastic protective cover. So the idea is that you leave that on. It's important to leave that on until you've taken the camera, attached it either to the optional pole mount or screwed it to the underside of a building soffit, for instance. And then you take that off and you're good to go. Okay, so we'll leave that on until we've done that. The camera itself has got four Allen key type connectors. That actually removes this fairly chunky, it's actually a metal case to the camera, removes that so then you can position the view of the camera. You can digitally zoom, but you can't, for this particular MV72 model, you can't pan tilt zoom the camera. So once the camera's in position, that is your field of view that you're going to have to work with. So make sure that when you mount it, typically upside down on the ceiling, you rotate the camera to where you want to film from and then screw it back together and it's all nicely secure. Okay, as I said before, there's some really unique features about the Meraki devices. All the storage for the footage is actually on the camera itself. There's 256 gig of storage on this particular model, I think, and you can optionally back it up to the cloud as well. It also comes with software called the Meraki Sense software that allows you to do some very clever analytics of people counting, entry and exit of the scenes, etc., so that you don't have to look back on loads of footage. You can put in your search criteria and then you can start to use the API, for instance, to interact with other technology that you've got in your business, such as EPOS systems, checking to see whether there's a transaction entered to the till and then film that transaction, etc., etc. So, in a nutshell, the Meraki MV range, specifically the MV72, have a look at it. Click subscribe to find out more information and to look at other videos from Nowcomm. We'll see you soon.